Hello everybody. Eventually just got me DJI Mini Pro 5. Sold me 3 last year, thinking the 5 was coming out last year. Didn't happen, did it? Had to wait another year. So let's have a look what we got in the box. Well, I'm opening, got a green tab here. Oh, that's, oh, I see. That takes the cellophane off. Yeah, got it this week. Delivery driver, you couldn't make it up, decided to deliver it to the wrong address. Couldn't believe it. Can't make it up, can you? Right, let's have a look. Right, in the box, let's have a look. Let's pull this out. It's bigger. Let's have a look. The bag itself is a lot bigger than the 3. What was it? Cord there. Pull this off. Let's have a look. Open this baby up. Let's have a look. Well, nicely packed. What should we have a look first? Let's get the batteries out. Two batteries in there. Very similar. And I believe these charge simultaneously. And this is what I've been looking for, the remote control. If I peel this off, it's like Christmas. Oh yeah. Your 2 antennas, which I didn't have on the 3. Slightly, and it's slightly different as well. Feels more comfortable in my hands, which is quite nice. Put them down for a minute. Let's have a look. What else we got? What we got here? Put that to one side for a second. 1, 2, 3, 4. That looks 5. 6 props. A USB charger. What else we got? What's this? Oh. Put that in. ND filters. ND8, 32 and 128. And do you know what? Really nice package. That's nice. 6 props and no screws. No screws. And that helps, especially when your eyes are slowly fading. What else have we got in here? Some information. I think that is a lot in there at the moment. Let's get the drone out. We've got a bag here with a zip compartment. If anything, I say the bag's a little bit big for what we've got, but you can put other stuff in there, I suppose. Right, more importantly, let's have a look at this drone. So I've only got 2 batteries at the moment. Oh, that looks beautiful. And 1 battery in the drone. I quite like this. Well packaged. C0 on the bottom. Let's be a little bit careful with this because I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, that's actually quite dandy. And as you can see, in the palm of my hand, let's just the bottom one's got, what's this at the bottom? I've just noticed. Remove the foam and sticker before use. Okay. Oh. Let's pull these out first. How do I do this? Shit. Alright, here we go. All fingers and thumbs. As I've seen, there is a button on the side there. Now it won't automatically load up because I've not pulled that sticker out yet. I'm not ready. That is pretty damn awesome. A lot of changes to it as well. At the back end there's fins. I would imagine they are for cooling, I don't know, or aerodynamics. Who knows, maybe you can tell me. Or do like this. Let's pull this off. There we go. Let's put that to one side a minute. And that is it. Lovely jubbly. Catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.